In a dentist's office, we try to avoid pain. I'm not talking about pulling teeth right now, but rather the dentist-client interaction can sometimes feel painful. In the olden days, dental patients had it rough. They would fill out all the paperwork by hand, read old magazines while they waited, and answer the same questions every visit. When the patient was in the big chair, that's when we would ask them about their complaints, symptoms, and other topics of interest. We would try to explain and close the deal without sounding too much like Sam the salesman. And when our patient's numbness was the numbest, the receptionist would ask them to confirm their information, then hand them a reminder card. If the card didn't work, we would call or use some expensive text messaging service to remind them. For some dental offices, this isn't the olden days. It's their current situation. As a dentist, we want to make the process as painless as possible. The solution is IPX, an interactive patient experience combined with today's technology. IPX is the best thing to happen in dentistry, well, since Novocaine. Here's how it works. When the patient arrives, hand them an IPX tablet to check in, edit their personal information, record any symptoms, and let your staff know about particular interest before they sit in the chair. They might even refer a friend. When they're done, an electronic notification is sent to the front desk informing them that the patient is ready. While they wait, the IPX tablet and IPX kiosk informs the patient and their families about your practice and services, giving a high-tech, informative feel to the entire waiting room. A great way to recruit new patients. Since the IPX tablet holds the visit information, it can be used during the patient consult. You and your assistant can review any symptoms, inquiries, or educational material that will address each patient's request or requirement. Use the on-screen informed consent function to ensure proper procedures are followed. On-demand videos will describe treatments, financing, and insurance options, as well as the growing number of consumer dental products, making the patient consult efficient and painless. After treatment, your IPX tablet displays care instructions, records the next appointment, and provides product or service information for future visits. The IPX tablet is then given back to the receptionist for final visit confirmations. Within 5 minutes after your patient leaves, they will receive a professional text and email that summarizes their visit, thanks them for coming, highlights their next appointment, provides relevant informational links, and politely asks them to provide feedback and referrals. Between visits, patient PR activities include pre-visit emails and text messaging, happy birthday notices, and optional marketing campaigns. Finally, the IPX dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of your patient's visits, never letting a patient fall through the cracks. IPX will not only help you see more patients, it'll drive business growth through improved practices, image, and loyalty. IPX is today's premier patient interactive technology. And did I mention it's incredibly affordable? I suggest you don't go back to the olden days, even if it was just yesterday. Go IPX.